Hello everyone, good evening. I hope all you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take another class from chemistry, and this is from class 12 electrochemistry, and this lecture is for basically for NEET and JEE. Okay, 2003 crash course. So let's start. The first content, that is first we will write first is resistivity. What is resistivity? Resistivity, okay, or specific resistance. Specific resistance. So here, look at here. I just write down the mathematical expression, not go through the definitions. Okay. Now, so resistivity is denoted by rho equal to RA. That is, we know that R equal to rho into L by A. That is rho equal to RA by L. Here rho equal to resistivity, A equal to cross section area, and L equal to length of wire, so area of wire, and R is the resistance of wire. Okay, I just write down the formulas. Next is conductivity. So what is conductivity, sir? So conductivity is it is denoted by G and it is denoted by rho. Okay, so G is 1 by R. Sorry, conductivity is denoted by K. It is denoted by K. So K equal to 1 by rho. So K equal to 1 by rho is the formula of conductivity. And conductance. Conductance is, it is denoted by G. So G equal to 1 by R. Okay. G equal to 1 by R. Okay, got my point? Now, molar conductivity or molar conductance. So molar conductivity or molar conductance, and it is denoted by lambda m. Lambda m, it is this one. Okay. Now, and it is denoted by the m equal to K by C, where K is conductivity and C is concentration. Okay, C is concentration, or we can say if it is represented in liter, or lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by C. Okay, when C is molarity, when C is molarity, that is moles per liter. Okay, moles per liter unit. If C is moles per liter unit, then we can say lambda m equal to K into 1000, K into 1000 divided by C. Okay, K into 1000 divided by C. So these are the formulas. So move on the next formulas, and after that, from this formula we will do some numericals from the previous year questions. Okay. Now we will do relationship between conductivity and molar conductance. So relation between conductivity and molar conductance. So the relation is like that: conductance is equal to conductivity into molar conductance. Okay, into molar conductance. Now we can say lambda m is equal to K into B. We can write in this way also. Here B is the volume of solution in centimeter cube. Here B is volume of solution in centimeter cube. Next, we can say lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by C. C is concentration. Okay. So molar conductivity, this one is molar conductivity. Now look at here, equivalent conductivity, that is lambda E is equal to lambda is equal to K into 1000 by CE EQ. CEQ means equivalent concentration. Okay, concentration. So C here concentration, and it is normality. It represents the normality. Okay, it represents the normality, that is equivalent gram equivalent per liter. Okay, now we will study how to calculate conductivity. Okay, so how can I calculate conductivity? So K equal to 1 by rho, and rho is RA by L. So K equal to L by RA. So K equal to 1 by R into L by A. Okay, so here 1 by R is what, sir? 1 by R is G, conductance, is not it? And L by A is known as cell constant. This one is cell constant, and it is L by A. Okay, so this is the relationship, and from that we can calculate conductivity. So conductivity K equal to conductance into cell constant. So conductivity equal to conductance into cell constant. Okay, into cell constant. Fine. So these are the formulas. These are the formulas we write down. Now we will do some numericals from the previous year questions. Okay. So our first question is, the conductivity of 0.2 mole KCl solution at 290 K is 0.025 as centimeter moles. Calculate its molar conductivity. So molar conductivity is we have to find out. Okay, there is lambda m we have to find out. So conductivity of there is K equal to 0.025 as centimeter minus, and C equal to 0.2 mole. So we know that lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by C. So K is what? 0.025 into 1000 by C is what? 0.20. Okay, mole. So if we cut this one, it will be 25 into 1000. If we multiply this one, so it will be 25 by 0.20. So 25 into 100, 0.20 means 0.2 into 10. Okay, 25, there is 152, there is 10, it will be 5. If we point on, it will be 25, there is 125. So 125 as centimeter square mole minus 1. So therefore lambda m equal to what? 125 as centimeter square mole minus 1. So this is the correct answer. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. So it's so simple. Let me explain it shortly. The conductivity of 0.20 mole KCl, that is KCl solution. The concentration of the KCl solution is what? 0.2 mole, 20 mole. At what temperature? 298. Their temperature is given 298. There is room temperature. Is concentration is 0.025 as centimeter minus. C is what given? 0.02 mole. So we have a formula, that is lambda m equal to K into 1000 by C. I just put all the values, and after simplification what becomes? 125 as centimeter square mole minus 1 is 0. Okay, so move on the next question. So our next question is, and this question is came in 2013 and 2012 entrance exam, and this is from NCERT question. Okay, the electrical resistance of a coulomb 0.025 0.05 mole. So C is given 0.05 mole. Okay, the molar conductivity, that is C is given 0.05 mole, and of coulomb of NaOH solution of diameter. So diameter D is given 1 centimeter. So our radius will be D by 2, that is 1 by 2, 0.5 centimeter. And length L is 50 centimeter. R is 5.55 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. Calculate this resistivity. So resistivity, for find the resistivity, we find cell constant first. Number 1 is resistivity. So cell constant G star is equal to L by A. So L by pi r square. So L is what? 50. Pi is what? 3.14. R is what? 0.5 whole square. So 50 by 3.14 into 0.25. Okay, so if I divide, it will be 0.78. 50 by 0.8 approximately. If I divide it, it will become 64 centimeter minus 1. Okay, almost 64 if you divide this one. Now we have to find out resistivity. So resistivity is rho equal to R by G star. Okay, resistivity rho equal to what, sir? R by G star. So R is what? 5.55 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to cell constant 64. Okay, so if you cut this part, then resistivity will become 87, almost 87. Okay, ohm minus 1 ohm centimeter. Okay, 87 ohm centimeter if you cut this part. Okay, now 87, 88. Okay, now we have to find out the conductivity. 3 is conductivity. So conductivity formula is, conductivity is what? K equal to 1 by rho. K equal to 1 by rho. So you just put the value, that is 1 by 87. If you put the value here, it will become 1.4 into 10 to the minus 2. That is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, as centimeter minus 1 minus 2. Centimeter minus 1. Unit will be as centimeter minus 1 conductivity. Now molar conductivity. So molar conductivity is equal to what? Sigma equal to lambda equal to K into 1000 divided by C. So K is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1000. C is what, sir? Concentration 0.05. So if I cut this by this, it will become 10 to 10. If I do 14 by 05, so 14.0.05, it will 5 into 100. If I cut this one, it will be 20. If I multiply this one, this will be 230 approximately as centimeter square mole minus 1. Okay, as centimeter square mole minus 1. So this is our second question. So what how can I solve this one? Let me explain it shortly. The electric resistance of a coulomb is, that is concentration is given, of solution diameter is given. From that I find out radius is what, length is given 50 centimeter, and resistance is this one. So we have to calculate resistivity. So for resistivity we calculate cell constant first, that is G star equal to L by A. After putting the value, after simplification, what becomes? This is almost 64 came. Okay, if I multiply this, it will be almost 0.8. Now so resistivity, this one is resistivity. Okay, so resistivity rho equal to R by G star. So you just put the value after solving, what came? This is near about 87-88. Okay, ohm centimeter. The conductivity is 1 by resistivity. Just put the value and it is came 0.014. Okay, so it will be 1 point. It became 0. If we divide 0.014, so it came 1.4 into 10 to the minus 2. And molar conductivity is pi into C, lambda equal to K into 1000 by C. If you put the value K and C after simplification, what came? Near about 230 as centimeter minus 1 and mole minus 1 will came. Okay, so this is our second question, and this question is came in last year to entrance exam. So our next question, and this question is coming in NEET 2016. NEET 2016 phase 2. Okay, phase 2. NEET 2016 phase 2. Okay, so now the molar conductivity of the question is like the molar conductivity of 0.5 mole per centimeter of solution of AgNO3 with electrolytic conductivity, this one, at 298. So temperature is given 298 Kelvin, concentration is 0.5, K is conductivity, electrolytic conductivity is 5.76 into 10 to the power minus 3 as centimeter minus 1. So the molar conductivity, so molar conductivity is equal to lambda m equal to K into 1000 by C. So K is what? 5.76 into 10 to the power minus 3, this is 1000 by C is 0.5. If you this one is going to cut, so 5.76 by 5, 0.5, so it will be 1000. So 57.6 by 5. If you cut this one, it will be 1 and 1, and this is 2. 1.2, 11.2, 11.52 as centimeter square mole minus 1, okay, or per mole. So lambda m will be this one. So therefore lambda m equal to 11.52 as centimeter square mole minus 1. So this is the answer. So which option is correct? Option B is the correct answer. So what is given here? Here K is given, C is given, and temperature is given. So molar conductivity, we know that molar conductivity's formula is K into 1000 by C. If you put all the values, you will get the all the values and simplify, it will be 11.52. That is which option is correct? Option B is the correct answer. Okay, so thank you for watching. This much for today's lecture. And in the next lecture we will come with another topics and another questions, okay, from previous section.